The world around us is changing faster than ever before, and so are lifestyles. As the world gets networked and boundaries start to showing, hospitality industry is a sphere heading the change and opening up world of tremendous opportunity and possibilities. This global phenomena is mirrored in the Indian marketplace as well. There's tremendous growth in the hospitality industry supported by special emphasis by the government to boost hotel industry in India due to an increase in business opportunity as well as foreign and domestic tourism. The opening for the professionally trained students in this industry are unlimitless, which provides an ample employment opportunities. This make hospitality a very secure and promising career to choose from. The hospitality sector provides a wide range of opening in 7 and 5-star hotels, luxury resorts, international and domestic airlines, cruise airlines, wineries, travel and tourism industry, and many more exciting careers to choose from. India is one of the fastest economy of the world, is already well equipped and requisite infrastructure and environment to provide quality education for international standard. In hospitality, particularly hotel management education, AIHM Institute of Hotel Management has established a professional norm which is a standard for many institutions to follow. We have been number one in quality placements and assured 100% placement for our students.
I'm working with Radisson Blu Rutherford.
AIHM has given me this opportunity to work with Sahara Star Mumbai.
I'm working with Taj Regency Lucknow.
And it provided me the opportunity to work with the Royal Orchid.
Our students are being serving in America, South Africa, Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, and many parts of other countries in Europe.
And India's reputed 7 and 5-star deluxe hotels and drawing salaries in 5-figure. It is recognized as one of the best institutes in the country today and shall strive to achieve further heights in imparting career-oriented hospitality education. The institute has a dedicated placement cell.
The training and placement cell team at AIHM consisted professional to focus on strategies of the industry. The senior faculty members mentor the team and special and continuous efforts are made to groom the students.
The student is proud to have tie-ups with more than 150 renowned hotels, resorts, restaurant chains and organizations worldwide. And few of these groups, Hyatt Regency, Intercontinental, Fortune, Usha Lanxess and the Marriott, Country Inn, Ramada, Lee Meridian, the Taj, the Leelas, Mahindra Group Holiday, Park Plaza, Mansingh Group, Oberoi Hotels and Resort, Holiday Inn and many more. AIHM Institute of Hotel Management's unique training program allows the students to undergo 1 year on-the-job training in USA, Canada, Austria and Europe.
I am Astos Rai. I belong to district Buxar, Bihar. I am very thankful to be a part of AIHM College that gives me a golden chance to work with Radisson Banaras.
I love AIHM College. My name is Nisha and I am from Darbhanga, Bihar. AIHM College training is the best and it provides me the opportunity to work with JP Palace after.
AIHM Institute of Hotel Management offers all the modern day facilities, the state-of-art infrastructure comprising of spacious AC lecture rooms, and with the latest teaching aids and audio-visual effects, well-stocked study rooms and libraries, cyberspaces room with computers and access to internet, the state-of-the-art training kitchen, bakery labs, F&B practical, and housekeeping labs. Beside of the two operation campuses at Agra and Ghaziabad, and the third bigger spacious campus have been planned to be built in the near future in an area of 7 acres. Keeping in the mind the ballistic development of the student, AIHM Institute of Hotel Management organizes many cultural events, chef competition, excursion and trip seminars, presentation to enhance the personality, communication skills and confidence level of the student that go a long way to make them a thorough professional. With a mission to provide excellent education to students and to ensure that to graduate operationally competent and immediately effective on the jobs, offering a wider spectrum of job-oriented courses from certificate program to postgraduate level program. AIHM Institute of Hotel Management provide the best possible knowledge supported by practical training along with all-round personality development.
If you want to make your bright future, you can just join AIHM.
And I'm very thankful to AIHM College.
I'm very thankful to AIHM College.
I love AIHM College.
I'm very thankful to AIHM College.
This is a very good place for study and grow.